Virtual greetings everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter named is Profit and Loss. Before starting this concept, we will discuss about two basic terms. First one is CP. CP stands for cost price and second one is SP. SP stands for selling price. So let's start. CP. CP stands for cost price. It means that the amount at which an article bought. What do you mean by bought? Suppose Ram bought a pen of ₹20. Bought means खरीदना. राम bought a pen of ₹20. राम ने क्या किया? मार्केट से एक पेन खरीदा. The cost of the pen is 20. So cost of the pen is known as the cost price of the pen. Second one is SP. SP stands for selling price. Selling price. The amount at which an article sold. Sold means किसी भी चीज को बेचने से जो हमें क्या मिल रही है, कुछ रुपीस मिल रहे हैं, that is called the selling price. For example, Ram sold a pen to Shyam at ₹5,000. Now, the formula used for profit and loss. Formulas used for profit and loss. Before starting the formulas of profit and loss, we will discuss about profit and loss. Ram bought a pen of ₹20 and sold it to Shyam at ₹25. राम ने क्या लिया? एक पेन लिया. कितने रुपीस का? 20 का. According to the CP and the SP, the article, the amount at which an article bought is known as CP. तो राम ने क्या खरीदा है? पेन. ₹20 का. So CP of the pen 25. FP of the pen is rupees 25. राम ने पेन कितने का लिया? 20 का। और उसको बेचा कितने का? 25 का। SP is greater than CP. SP क्या है? ग्रेटर देन किससे है? CP से। तो there will be profit. तो यहां पर क्या होगा हमारा? Profit. And the formula for the profit is SP minus CP. In another way, if Ram bought a pen of rupees 25, अब राम ने पेन कितने का खरीदा है? 25 का। So cost price of the pen is rupees 25 and sold it to Shyam at rupees 20. और उसने वो पेन शाम को बेच दिया rupees 20 में। So selling price of the pen is rupees 20. In this case, CP is greater than SP. इस केस में जो CP है हमारा वो ग्रेटर है किससे? SP से। So there will be loss. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा हमारा? Loss. And the formula used for loss is equals to CP minus SP. In case of profit, SP is greater than CP, and in case of loss, CP is greater than SP. Another formulas are if we have cost price and loss, then we have to find out SP. जब हमें क्या गिवन हो? Cost price and loss given हो, and we have to find out SP. The formula of finding the SP is CP minus loss. Next formula is when we have CP and profit, जब हमें क्या गिवन है? Cost price and profit, and we have to find the SP. In case of profit, profit के केस में जो SP है हमारा वो ग्रेटर होता है किससे? CP से। So formula of finding the SP is CP plus profit. Next formula is when we have SP and loss. When we have SP and loss, and we have to find out CP. हमें cost price find out करना है in case of loss. अब आपको पता है loss के केस में हमारा CP greater होता है. So formula of CP is SP plus loss. Next formula is when we have SP and profit, then formula of the CP is SP minus profit. when we have CP and loss, the formula finding the FP is CP minus loss. When we have CP and profit and we have to find out FP, the formula is CP plus profit. When we have SP and loss, then formula of the CP is SP plus loss. When we have SP and profit, then formula of the CP is SP minus profit. Next formula is profit percent and loss percent. Profit percent and loss percent will be reckoned only on CP. किसी भी चीज का प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस सीपी पे डिपेंड करता है. So formula of profit percent is profit divided by cost price multiplied 100. Formula of loss percent is loss divided by CP multiplied 100. Next one is when we have cost price and loss percent. When we have cost price and loss percent, then we have to find SP. And the formula used for SP is CP divided by 100 multiplied 100 minus loss percent. When we have CP and profit percent, then the formula used for SP is CP divided by 100 multiplied 100 plus gain percent. When we have SP and loss percent, we have to find out cost price, and the formula for using the cost price is SP multiply 100 minus loss percent. And the last one is when we have SP and profit percent, then formula for using CP is SP multiply 100 plus gain percent. When we have SP and profit percent, then the formula of the CP is SP multiply 100 plus gain percent. I hope students you have understood the concept of profit and loss, and with the help of this concept you can easily solve 1 to 10 questions of exercise 9